There are a lot of choices to make regarding the collection of data. Open spaces with minimal detail might not need as many scans due to their open nature. However, depending on the size of the space and the specifications of the scanner, additional scans might be needed to achieve the desired coverage. Complex spaces or spaces with many obstacles at the level of the scanner will require more scans to get the desired coverage. Not only because there is more to capture, but because an object between the scanner and another object will prevent data capture of the obscured object. We'll look into this more in depth in another section. How the scan data will be used can affect the resolution needed. If a scan will be for reference, a lower quality might be usable. If precision work needs to be done around existing equipment, this could make a high-resolution capture necessary. Experience will make this decision easier. One might think that using high resolution all of the time is a good solution, but this will generate large files that take more processing and storage to manage, add time to the cleanup of the data, and possibly add no value. The use of color photos and reality capture is optional depending on the environmental constraints. In cases where light is insufficient or there is glare, color capture can be disabled and intensity of the scan can be viewed instead. Represented as a grayscale image, the intensity can be used to see through problem areas that would be difficult to view with color capture. Regardless of the options that you select for the number, resolution, or color content of the scans, there is another critical part of the process that isn't part of the software: access to the site. Quality reality capture takes time. The number of scan sets, type of scanner you use, and options you set will create a minimum time required to scan. You also need to consider variables. Sometimes the scanner can experience a problem, batteries need changing, and so on. You must avoid being rushed or taking too few scans to do the job. Adding some extra time on site the first time is much better than having to go back to add scans or replace them.